Sulit! Sulit, salamat, boss. How did the car get up there though? Tara, tol.
Ay, lalagay ba natin ito doon?
Huwag na, huwag na.
What the hell?
No touching the lights po tayo. Oh boy. Lala. Bulag ako.
Ay, ako yung ano mo ha. This one easy. This one so sweet. Wala ka na.
Tara, boss.
Abel, what's number 3?
Lasing pa rin.